Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and this was a requested video by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested me to do some Halloween themed nails using polygel. This is a very versatile type of look. You can wear it for Halloween or any day of the year. So after I was done pushing back my cuticles, using a nail file, I am just removing all of the shine from the nails. So here I'm going to begin buffing the nails, and this is just simply going to remove these scratches and smooth out the nails. If you want your nails to last, remember to use a nail dehydrator and then prime the nails and then apply your base. If you don't want them to last for that long, you can always place a peel-off coat. And remember to dust off your nails each time just to remove excess particles. So here I begin to place the base coat, and by the way, this 3 set of base coat, top coat, and matte top coat is a great find. It works excellent. I really love it. It's one of my favorites now, and it's so affordable, only $4.99. And after you are done applying the base, remember to cure under the UV lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. I only ended up using the glittery gold polygel. I didn't end up using the other one that I showed because I wasn't really sure what type of look I wanted to go for, but I ended up just using this particular polygel, which was the glittery one. And by the way guys, I love this company. They didn't send me these products or anything, but I'm just saying, like, I absolutely love this brand of polygel. I will have everything linked down below because it's so affordable and it's so great if you're a beginner or even an expert. It just works so flawlessly. And this way of applying polygel may seem a little bit hard, but in reality it's actually very simple, and the more you practice, just the easier it becomes, because the better that you mold the polygel to the nail, the easier it will be when you go down to filing. So yeah, it's really simple. In reality, all you're really doing is just molding the nail as you would if you were doing it inside of the nail. Here I am using the Makartt clear polygel, and the reason why I'm using this one is because it is super clear and it just looks so beautiful when you encapsulate anything on the nail. So here I am just beginning from the cuticle, working my way down, just using a thin layer of the clear polygel, and then later on I will go in with my glitters and place them to my liking. I will cure that for 30 to 60 seconds, and after I will apply the second layer over top of the glitters, and after I will cure it once again. So here for the pinky finger, I am just repeating the same process that I did for the middle finger. I'm applying a thin layer of the clear polygel, then I am placing on my glitters after I will cure that, and then I'll go in with the top layer of polygel to encapsulate the whole nail together and then cure it once again, and then you're done and you have beautiful encapsulated nails. I'm just grabbing 100% acetone nail polish remover, and I'm just removing the tacky layer from the nails because the polygel does leave a tacky layer. This is a very important step. I went ahead, filed, shaped, and buffed off camera. So now that I am done doing that, I am just applying top coat to all the nails. I'm curing it for 30 through 60 seconds. And then don't forget to apply your cuticle oil because that is a very vital step. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.